artificial intelligence will soon replace many human jobs. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this development? The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries worldwide. While it promises efficiency and innovation, it also threatens traditional employment and raises ethical concerns. One major advantage of AI is increased productivity. Machines can perform repetitive or dangerous tasks faster and more accurately than humans, reducing workplace accidents and operational costs. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and analyzing vast amounts of data, leading to earlier treatment and improved outcomes. Moreover, automation allows humans to focus on creative and strategic work rather than mundane tasks. However, widespread automation may lead to massive job losses, particularly in manufacturing, retail, and transportation. This shift could deepen economic inequality if workers are not retrained for emerging roles. Additionally, excessive dependence on AI raises moral and security issues, as algorithms may perpetuate bias or be exploited maliciously. To maximize benefits, governments should invest in education and reskilling initiatives, ensuring that people adapt to the evolving job market. Ethical frameworks are also needed to regulate AI use responsibly. In conclusion, artificial intelligence brings immense potential but also significant risks. Its success depends on how societies balance technological advancement with human welfare.